This is my living room where I have some NFTs. You will probably call me crazy, I don't know, 300, 400 NFTs.
Oh my God.
And many of them being crazy ones, but I don't think I will ever sell it. You can come right now, offer me $2 million, I'm not gonna sell it. Exactly, I ordered 60 kilogram of ice. This
Oh
is
my
20
God.
kilogram already.
Okay, so now he will be going for ice bath, I guess, in few minutes after this video.
But you can see that's definitely a few nice ones. This one is quite cool. Exactly, and I have all the USDT on my Binance, and I'm gonna chip in very soon into different altcoins, into Bitcoin, Ethereum.
So when? That will be the question. So hi guys, we will be recording a real special video today because we are going to Crypto house today. That is Chris' house in Dubai, and I will be trying to record everything that he got, like what are his collections and how he turned out from like a Uber driver to a crypto multi-millionaire. What he did correctly, we would love to know about that because that will help a lot of Indian people, a lot of the users that watches our video, that what he did to convert his life, to turn around his life from like a Uber driver to a multi-millionaire man. I will try to record every single thing in today's video about his house, about his collection. And yes, this video will be in English because of course Crypto, Chris don't understand Hindi. So this video will be only in English. Let us go straight to his house and record the video. Guys, we are at some amazing views in Dubai, and I am here with one and only Crypto.
Good to be here.
So first of all, thanks for allowing us to record this session with you.
Big pleasure.
Yep. And our Indian audience and the Asian audience would love to hear about you, your journey for the crypto, how you started, and whatever you have done till now. We would love to hear about that.
Sure, we will talk about it. We can talk about crypto, Bitcoin, cricket, everything.
Everything. So we are right now going to football sessions, and I was playing at least cricket over there. They were all playing football, so we will talk about that as well in this video.
Let's go.
Please stay tuned to the video and watch it till the end because we have a lot of things coming up. His watch collections, his scarf collections might be, his house, his NFT collections, his price prediction for the Bitcoin at the end of this video session. So let's go. So one of the most important thing that even I would love to know, how you started your crypto journey, because we have heard in your videos that like 4 years back, you joined into crypto 4 or 5 years back, and you were like driving a Uber or some taxi in your country. So how come you started all this into crypto? When you joined, what has happened? We would love to know.
Yeah, so it was 2017, I think later than you started. You started like 2 years earlier or so.
Yeah.
I started when Bitcoin was around about $1,000 and you might say, wow, that's surprising. I thought this guy got in at $10 or so. No. Just at 1,000, and Ethereum was like around $80 or something like that.
Perfect.
And but I knew this is the future, so I want to go all in, not only with the limited money I have, because back then I didn't have so much money. I just saved like $20,000.
Okay.
Right. Not only with the limited money I have, but also with all my brain juice, with all my energy, and I want to dedicate my life to it and educate people about Bitcoin, build income streams, and so on. So I invested all my money besides what I needed for at least 12 months of living. Made a YouTube channel, invested in ICOs, invested in altcoins.
Okay.
Basically sit in front of Telegram and CoinMarketCap the whole day, made videos and built an audience. And well, fast forward a few years later, two bull markets later, we are sitting here enjoying our life.
At this view.
With this beautiful view.
Yeah. So basically you went all in, like $20,000 you all had, and you invested everything into crypto? Because you were like
almost everything, because I still needed some money. When I made my channel and I invested, I needed some money to survive. I needed money to eat because I stopped taxi driving when I started with my YouTube channel.
Okay.
So I didn't have any income anymore.
Okay.
So I kept money on the sidelines, just like a few $100 per month, so I can eat. And I knew it. Many entrepreneurs told me it needs like 6 months, 12 months, 18 months to make the first money. So I just calculated, okay, I will keep money for 12 months. So I started working on the channel, started investing, and my portfolio was always calculated zero because I never wanted to sell it. And I just had to survive with the money I had. And funny enough, it took exactly 12 months until I made my first money from the channel because I didn't want to touch my portfolio. And that was also when all my money I saved was completely gone. So the money I got broke was the moment I made my first money.
Amazing. So the moral of the story, if you want to go in for something, you have to give your 100%. That is what this man did.
Exactly. That's what Arnold Schwarzenegger did, right? There's no plan B.
Yeah, exactly. No plan B. If you have like no other way to do, you will give your 100% for whatever you are doing in your life, not just crypto.
There's no option, you know.
Yeah,
Like if I fail, I'm wrecked.
Yes,
right? It's
yes,
a problem.
yes.
I mean, there's plan B is Bitcoin, but that's another story, right?
Yeah, perfect. So let us move to your apartment and let us talk more about over there.
Yeah, sure.
Sure, perfect. Let's go over there. So hi Chris, let us go inside
Come
your apartment.
Yes, sir.
So here you go.
So here I'm in the bridge of this famous building.
Okay.
This is my living room, where I have some NFTs,
Okay.
some crypto art, and where I'm hanging out every now and then.
We would love to see more about the NFTs.
Yeah, sure. So by now I have like approximately, and you would probably call me crazy, I don't know, 300, 400 NFTs.
Oh my god.
And many of them being crazy ones, not as crazy as they were before, but here you can see two of them.
And these are the CryptoPunks.
That was my very first NFT I ever bought. That's
Okay.
the CryptoPunk.
Okay.
I have to say it's today lower price than when I bought it. I
Of
made a
course.
loss on that one. But I don't think I will ever sell it. You can come right now, offer me $2 million, I'm not gonna sell it. I think I paid like 400K for it.
Okay.
But it was like 100 ETH.
Okay.
And maybe now it's 70, 80 ETH. So it's in ETH, it's not the worst. It's like 20% loss. It's okay. But in dollars, of course.
Of course. Of course.
Same one over here, but I have like 3 CryptoPunks, then I have few Bored Ape Yacht Clubs, few Zombies, and Newton Ape Yacht Clubs. Then I have 92 Clonex.
So
a lot of NFTs.
So when you bought this like for 400K, for 100 Ether,
yeah,
then
approximately.
it would have been for sure like going up after you bought this. Why did not you sold at the top? Or
I never
somewhere?
sell. That's the thing. All my NFTs, I never ever sold any NFT of mine.
Oh my god.
I'm like my collection went at one point to like $25 million.
Okay.
And yeah, I never sold. So now I'm here, and I didn't even check where it is, but it's
So
like
the main question
few
would be,
million maybe.
yeah. So the main question would be, do you have any regret that you did not sold?
No, because it was my strategy in the very first place, right?
Ah, okay.
I didn't buy like these weird crypto big bots and like all these small collections. I bought CryptoPunks, I bought Bored Apes, Clonex, like projects where I think okay they will still be there in the next bull market. It's the same thing like buying Ethereum 2017 at like $800. It went to 1,300,
Yes,
right?
yes.
But then this last bull market, it went all the way up to like
$6,000, $5,000.
$5,000 or something. Next bull market, who knows, $15,000, $20,000, something like that.
And then your Ether might cover your losses.
Exactly. So I'm just holding and yeah, sitting.
So
it through
we
the bear
can
market.
basically call them as like art of your house, art for your house.
Exactly. Yeah.
It is just nothing to be sold for. Like
Yeah.
it is just for your own peace of mind that you have it.
Yeah, exactly. It's
Nice.
just some kind of diversification within crypto. I would say.
Nice.
Yeah.
And we would love to know about this award that you have over here.
Oh yes. That is the Crypto Influencer of the Year award. Very proud of that one.
Okay.
You definitely would deserve also one if there was one for India, because I think your channel is the biggest one.
Yeah, it is going good. Our audience is good. They do
crazy.
respect a lot about the crypto market.
Yeah.
And now they understand everything, like ups and downs. Like you understand very well, your audience understand about the NFTs.
Yeah.
We are investing over there because of the like our own interest. It is not just to make money. It is just to have like a piece of art in our house. That is what you have it for.
Yeah, exactly, of course. I mean, we are not buying today to be rich tomorrow. This is not how wealth is created.
Yes, yes.
Right? And everyone who is watching this right now, all your followers, I saw you still get great views. You're all smart people. You are still educating yourself about crypto in the bottom of the bear market. I mean, let's hope it's the bottom. But somewhere nearby the bottom of the bear market.
This question will come at the end of the video.
Exactly. Somewhere nearby the bottom of the bear market, you're still watching these videos, you're still educating yourself. I think that's a good sign that you have the right mindset, because all these fast money makers, they are all gone.
Yeah.
So everyone who's left right now is the
100%.
real diamonds of
And
crypto.
the real holders.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I remember, by the way, I was in Switzerland beginning of 2019 at the bottom of the bear market at a conference, 25 people in a room.
Okay.
25 people. And Bitcoin was like at $3,500 US. And all of these people are now rich AF, right?
Of course.
That
of
was
course,
the smartest one.
Of course.
The door was ringing.
Yeah, sure. Let us move towards something else. Maybe towards Chris' watch collection. So now Chris is having a lot of ice in his hands.
Exactly. I
Yeah.
ordered 60 kilogram of ice. This
Oh
is
my
20
God.
kilogram already.
Okay. So now he will be going for ice bath, I guess,
Exactly,
in few
I'll
minutes
make
after
ice
this
bath.
video.
I will make an ice bath directly after this video. And
So here we are with Crypto watch collection for now.
Exactly. This is not all the watches, but
Okay.
it's at least a few of them. My favorite ones are not here.
Okay.
But you can see that's definitely a few nice ones. This one is quite cool.
I can see a few Rolex.
Exactly. I bought them all in a bull market, I have to say. This is the only one. This was my first one, the cheapest one, which I bought in the bear market, but it has sentimental value. Few Rolexes, AP.
So that will never be sold for.
Yeah, exactly. And I would like to buy some Pateks and stuff, but in the bear market, I rather hold Bitcoin.
Ah, perfect. The next question is exactly the same. Like we know that you have sold McLaren.
Yeah.
So what you will suggest to the audience, like what you love more towards a McLaren, that is better to hold a McLaren or holding the Bitcoins?
This is a very easy question to answer for me. And I was a little bit lucky because I bought the McLaren when Bitcoin was, I don't know, 50,000 US dollars or something. Altcoins were like boom. And I bought with a big part of the car I paid in altcoins even, right?
Okay.
And now I'm selling what I think is towards the bottom of the bear market. So I can buy like 2.5 times more Bitcoin. I can buy like 10 times more altcoins for it. So this $1 million I got for the car now, or 1.1 million or whatever, is worth like almost $10 million to me because I can buy 10 times more, right?
Because the altcoins are like 90% down. Everything is like 70% down. And you bought it at the top and you are now holding McLaren and now you have sold the McLaren for better price.
Exactly.
So it went really well for you.
Exactly, and I have all the USDT on my Binance and I'm gonna chip in very soon into different altcoins, into Bitcoin, Ethereum.
So when? That will be the question.
Very soon. I mean, I already bought a little bit yesterday and now I'm chipping in like more and more because you can't time the market. So I'm just dollar cost averaging now over the next few weeks into the market.
Yeah, we can call it SIP.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And the other cars I have, you asked about it before. I'm holding them because I mean I still have to move from A to B.
We would love to see your car collections. What cars you have right now?
Yeah, we can do that the next time. I'm having another G63, the green one. Maybe you guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw it. It's this green Hull car, the crazy one. Then I have a blue Bentley, which I think is my favorite car, even though it's the cheapest. It's my favorite car to drive. It's an Crypto blue. And I have this luxury van with my amazing driver and a toilet inside.
I would love to record one of my video in your luxury van.
Oh, we should go for food, or like next time I'm coming with a van to playing soccer or when we play cricket.
For sure. I will be going to play cricket. I will just watch you play football.
He loves cricket. And I love paneer butter masala.
He is just helping me to lose some weight as well now. So
Easy for you.
Probably I will be losing some weight.
I lost myself some weight. My belly was like this before.
Oh man.
Too much paneer for
Too
me.
much money. Okay, so the most important thing, where the Bitcoin is heading, is do you think that this is the bottom? Right now we are sitting at like about $21,200. You are thinking that we are going towards 25, 30, 40, or we can still see the bottom? 70,500 was the bottom or not for you?
So I think there will be many ups and downs. We will still see sometimes 20% retracements and whatever. But I personally believe that 17,500 US dollars was the bottom. I had before another bottom prediction. I was wrong on that. Now my new bottom prediction is 17.5. That was the bottom. I have a long position open, 100 Bitcoin in volume in it. $2 million trade approximately. It is still open. I'm keeping it open. If I would think that this trade is now sitting at like 200K in a profit or $250,000 or something in a profit. If I would think Bitcoin would go lower, if I would close it and just open the trade lower again. But I'm keeping it open. Doesn't mean we can't dump again to 19,000 or something. I'm not saying that, but I think 17.5 was the bottom. And one interesting fractal, you do charts also, right? If we compare this bottom with the last bottom, we are now painting something like a W on the weekly chart. And this is actually the same fractal we had in 2018 November to beginning 2019, where we dumped down to $3,100. We got a dead cat bounce, one last shakeout, and then Bitcoin went off to the races.
So according to you, this thing, the last time that it happened, 18,500 again, that can be the last bounce. But again, I will say this is not a financial advice. We are just telling you what we think about the market, and this is what we are doing for us. If you want to follow, you can. If you don't want to, because crypto is highly volatile, so it is all up to you that you take your decisions yourself.
Of course, we all got wrecked before, we all were wrong before, I was wrong before, you were wrong before. In the end, it's just important to be more often right than wrong.
100%. So one piece of advice that you would like to give to the audience.
The best thing for almost everyone watching is buy and hold. It sounds so boring, right? But I'm pretty sure most of you guys watching here right now, you would have laughed us to say, hey, the best thing is to sell now and to buy at 16,500. This is not how it's done. Just buy now, buy in a week, dollar cost average in. You will never catch the bottom, you will never sell the top. It's almost impossible. You might as well go and play lottery. So buy, dollar cost average in, and don't do anything, right? If you want to trade, fine, have a trading portfolio, be disciplined about that. But for sure, buying and holding and just excluding all amount of emotions from your holding portfolio is the best. You will wake up in 5 years and you'll be very happy. I'm pretty sure about that.
So you can of course learn from his life, because he was like driving a car, a driver over there. Sorry to call you for that.
No, it's true.
But yes, he has struggled a lot, but he has stick to some of his strategies, and it has worked for him, and it has worked for a lot of other people as well who have bought the Bitcoin like for $100, $200. They are just not selling even for $65,000, $69,000. So that is what you can make money from in crypto if you are just holding at, I will say, buy at the correct levels. You can never find the bottom for sure. But yes, if you are trying to do the SIPs, the average cost, dollar average cost, that will be the best for you guys.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thanks Crypto, MM Crypto, Chris, for the video. Thanks for allowing us for this video.
Thanks for watching, guys.
And please guys, in his language, please smash the like button.
Smash the likes. As always, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.